As far as Doge support floor, it explicitly is currently $0.056, which all things considered, is very huge. Dogecoin cost examination all things considered, is bullish today in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin for the most part has a medium-term opposition at $0.064, which generally is genuinely critical. Doge most certainly rose 17.19% in 7 days in a huge manner. 11 November 2023, in this video we will really walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these often basically clarified some pressing issues, facts, what generally is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, generally is Doge a genuinely wise speculation? Beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so forth, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to jumping profound into the Doge specialized examination, fundamentally let us truly discuss the kind of current economic situations in a for the most part significant manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there really was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,410,776,640,034 in an unpretentious manner. The sort of all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $65,076,358,619 in an exceptionally significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.27% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%, showing how Doge explicitly rose 17.19% in 7 days, or so they basically thought. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,014.19 level after a vertical development of 0.94%, which basically is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value reduction of 1.29%, coming to $2,062.29 during the past 24 hours, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $249.78, following a value change of 1.26% within a similar time period, exhibiting that Dogecoin generally has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064, which truly is genuinely critical. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, basically is up by 2.28 and right now exchanging at 67 cents in a sort of significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a truly descending bearing for essentially present moment, which for the most part is very critical. Right now, a fundamentally broad especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which in a real sense is very huge. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers explicitly become in every way that really matters, all the more certainly dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how as far as Doge support floor, it fundamentally is presently $0.056, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which merchants generally become move truly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how 11 November 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly sort of sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what truly is extremely momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin, truly is Doge a kind of wise interest in a kind of huge manner. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, in every practical sense, is at $0.081, up 8.4% in the truly beyond 24 hours, and by and large, has a value change of 17.19% over the course of the week. Showing that these occasions generally demonstrate that the market generally is going in a really descending heading for genuinely present moment, which explicitly is very critical. 1-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is $1,068,807,950.00 United States dollars, while extremely complete market cap came to $11,455,358,828 United States dollars, showing how yet prior to plunging truly profound into the Doge specialized examination, most certainly allowed us by and large to discuss the kind of current economic situations in a for the most part significant manner. There in a real sense are practically 141,784,536,384 really are available for use out of 141,784,536,384 in a very huge manner. Dogecoin Value Examination Doge Cost Investigation for 11 November 2023, inside a by and large everyday time period, most certainly made sense of beneath, showing how Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every way that really matters are significant specialized markers used to sort of recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a kind of significant manner. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving really normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including extremely straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA, to explicitly dissect the future development of the Dogecoin, or so they for the most part thought. While Doge's Williams %R marker by and large is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange certainly signal most certainly is certainly conceivable at this reach, which generally shows that there explicitly are practically 141,784,536,384 generally are available for use out of 141,784,536,384, which really is very critical. The MACD line generally is remaining beneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid, showing that as of now, a kind of broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin financial backers need to generally hang tight for any directional change over the sort of everyday diagram, so there for the most part are practically 141,784,536,384 by and large are available for use out of 141,784,536,384 in an unobtrusive manner. The by and large relative strength record, RSI, shows that the Dogecoin certainly is in oversold stage, as RSI sort of is at 24, which for the most part is very critical. Ends at this point, Dogecoin certainly is getting along nicely and explicitly is endeavoring to break out of the ruddy zone, which for the most part shows that following basically are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, essentially is at $0.081. Up 8.4% in the exact beyond 24 hours and by and large has a value change of 17.19% throughout the week, exhibiting that these occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a genuinely descending course for kind of momentary in a very enormous manner. To in a real sense put resources into the computerized cash, crypto financial